So my name's Sam Gribben. I'm the director of SGD 3D. We're a 3D printing service based in Nottingham, United Kingdom. We originally started in 2018 as a spin-off from Nottingham University, the Hive Startup Centre, and since then we've grown rapidly to now move into our own service facility based in the Midlands Engine region. When we first offered SLS 3D printing, the only finish that we offered was the as standard blasted finish, but also offered a dye black finish. Now, the problem is that when we built up more clients that were starting to use SLS, a lot of them were saying that the same issue that kept coming up: can we have smoother, non-grainy parts? That again is when we contacted AMT, and then we decided to look into their new vapor smoothing solution, which is the SFX machine. As we're growing with our SLS printing journey, we're able to comfortably offer to our customers vapor smoothing as a final product solution. This helps close the gap between injection molded parts and 3D printed parts. The parts we're able to produce by vapor smoothing have a really nice smooth finish, enhanced mechanical properties, and also they're fully watertight, so we've been able to use them for different varying applications, whether it's chemical resistance, using maritime applications, or using outdoor functional applications.